Hello YouTubers, this is Ollie here at Visordown.com, and I am back warbling words of motorcycling goodness because we have something new and fresh for you to marvel at. Better still, we don't just have one new motorcycle here, we in fact have two. Well, sort of. What you see here are two new tasty flavours of Ducati Scramblers, which took centre stage in the second episode of the Borgo Panigale firm's series of world premieres taking place over the next few weeks. A range so diverse with different editions, Ducati essentially regards Scrambler as a separate brand in its own right. Its existing family of 8 variants has now swelled to a nice round 10, with the Ducati Scrambler 1100 Tribute Pro and the Ducati Scrambler Urban Motard. Ducati has gone all future nostalgia in the inspiration for these two new models, with the Tribute designed as a homage of a throwback to the 1970s, while the Urban Motard has your whippersnappers among us in its sights. That means young if you weren't sure. I don't know why I said that. We'll start with the Ducati Scrambler 1100 Tribute Pro. Singled out from the rest of the Scrambler range with its Giallo Ochre paint job, which we assume is Italian for mustard yellow, the Tribute is exactly that, a tribute to the first ever twin-cylinder Ducati rolling off the production line 50 years ago. You'll also notice the retro stylings of Ducati's Giorgio penned former logo on the tank, together with all the neat styling touches, brushed exhaust, premium seat trim and X marks the spot circular LED headlamp, all present and correct. Poking out is the familiar 1079cc engine producing 86 brake horsepower at 7,500 RPM, tuned to deliver brisk acceleration in the low end, while it comes with 3 pro riding modes and Ducati traction control as standard. If the Tribute is a distinguished gentleman of a Scrambler, then the sibling it shares the spotlight with here is arguably the wilder teenage version. The Ducati Scrambler Urban Motard blends elements of the Scrambler with the bonkers Ducati Hyper Motard with its beaked front mudguard, plus flat seating, side-mounted panel and graffiti-style paintwork that Ducati says is also supposed to mimic the red and white colour scheme of its Ducati MotoGP bikes over time. It makes do with the 803cc engine producing 73 brake horsepower at 8,250 RPM, designed to provide brisk and perky acceleration for more urban riding. Furthermore, both models can be tweaked to be made available for those of you with an A2 licence. The two Scramblers will hit the dealerships in November 2021. Like and subscribe to the Visordown YouTube channel. We have a new video going up almost every single day, and we really wouldn't want you to miss out. So until we meet again, or until you click and I start chatting away, ciao for now.